Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 9 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, tire balancers, and tire mounting machines. Hello, my name is Tweenie, and I am going to show you how to commission your F-150 wheel balancer. Open the package with a sharp knife and remove the wooden panels with a hammer. Here is the box with the small parts. Remove the screws that connect the machine to the pallet. Carefully remove the machine from the pallet. Before you continue, please carefully read the instruction manual. Start by installing the guard holder. Screw the guard holder to the back of the machine using the screws provided. Connect the sensor on the inside of the guard holder to the machine. Install the guard to the machine. Mount the guard in the left hole. The right hole is required if you use a motorcycle adapter. Now screw together both parts of the protection hood. Use the special tool delivered with the machine to tighten the bolts. Place the plug on the end of the guard. The protection hood is simply placed on the guard and secured by the screws. Pay attention to the holes for the screws. Now we will install the shaft. Make sure the shaft is pulled tight. Install the cone holders to the machine. Here you see the leftover adapter and tools. Now you should anchor the machine to the floor so that the machine can function properly. Attention! Once the machine is plugged in and on, it will automatically start when the protection hood is closed. With this, the setup of your wheel balancer is complete.